In this video, you're going to learn how to switch SIM cards in your phone. Switching phones is easy. See how. Hi everybody, welcome back. In a previous video, I showed that switching phones is really easy by switching out your SIM cards, but I had a lot of questions to that. So I wanted to do another video that explains a few things. AT&T and Verizon are on a different band than the other brands of cell phone providers. So AT&T and Verizon are kind of their own thing. You can only switch those brands to their own phone, to that brand of phone. The other brands can go under all kinds of different ones. So you can swap the SIM cards with those pretty easily. So if you're switching from Verizon to Verizon or AT&T to AT&T, you can use those SIM cards to switch out. It's really easy to switch phones. However, I want you to know that switching your SIM card does not move your contacts over. It does not move your photos over. It doesn't move your apps over. All the SIM card does is switch your service. So if you're a current Verizon customer and you switch and you want to switch phones, you just move the SIM card from one phone to the next, and it will go ahead and your service will be on that phone. Whatever apps you have on that phone will stay on there. You'll just all of a sudden be able to make phone calls. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to switch SIM cards. Switching SIM cards is very easy. My daughter got a new Pixel 3 XL, and she's going to switch from her Pixel 2 to the Pixel 3 XL, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so here we have the two phones. We also have our SIM tool remover. A lot of people have asked where I got this at. These come with the phones in the box. You probably have one laying around the house and don't know what it was, but that's what it's for. If you don't have one, you can use a really thin paper clip, or you can go to a Verizon store or a cell phone store, and they probably have one laying around that you can use. So the first thing you want to do is remove the SIM card from the old phone. So this is the old phone, and we're going to go ahead and remove the SIM card out of here. We're going to slide that out, and you want to try not to touch the copper that's on the back of the SIM card. So you want to try not to touch that. It's okay to touch it with the metal, just to tap it, but try not to touch it with your oily fingers. We're going to set the old phone aside, and then we're going to open up the door on the new phone, which is right here. You're going to push in on the inside of it, slide this tray out, and you're going to, it will show you've got a little notched piece right here that shows you the corner of the SIM card. So you want to match that notched piece with the corner of the SIM card. If you look there, it's got a little notch on the corner of it. So you're going to match that with that notched spot. I want to make sure that lays in there properly, because we want to make sure that it falls in. I just touched it with my fingernail there. Like I say, if you do touch it with your fingers, it's not the end of the world. It's just better not to, because it is copper. So, and then you just slide it back in. Push and hold your volume button on the side, and it'll fire up the phone. And we'll give it a couple of seconds. And you'll see it says Verizon at the top. Got your 4G LTE. It's all ready, rocking and rolling. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you got a lot out of the video. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell.